Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see a program that's going to convert decimal number into binary number. Here we are going to get the input number from the user. The user is going to enter the decimal number, and this program is going to convert that one into a binary number. Now let's go ahead and do that. First let me grab this one. Okay, first of all, let's go to the main function. In this main function I introduce an integer type of variable. Let's call this one as num, and then I'm giving a prompt to the user to enter the number. \n, enter the number, and the user is going to enter the number. We have to store the number somewhere, and we have to get the input. To get the input, we have to use a scanf statement. Since this is an integer type of variable, we put a %d right here, and whatever the value the user enter, it's going to be stored in num and num. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass this argument to another function, because we are going to use another function and then we are going to do the conversion operation. Now let's go ahead and do the argument passing. Binary num, okay, binary num. So whatever the value the user entered, it will be passed right here. And now I'm going to create another function. I create an integer type of function, and I call this function as binary, and in this bracket let's put integer n. Okay, now inside of this function we are going to do the conversion operation. First I introduce a temporary variable. Let's call this one r, and then we are going to find the remainder of, like, we are going to divide n by 2 and equate that one to r. The remainder is equal to r. N, the remainder of dividing by 2 is equal to r, and also after that we are going to equate n is equal to n divided by 2, n divided by 2, and the next thing is we are going to create an if statement. If n is equal to 0, it's going to enter this if statement, and we are going to print out the r value. Okay, here printf statement, printf, and here we are going to print out the r value. To print the r value, let's put \n. The binary equivalent is %d, and whatever the value is in the r. Okay, now we are going to return r, and after that, this is if statement. Else, if n is not equal to 0, we are going to do the recursive call. If whenever we call a function, the same function in a function, we call this one as a recursive call. That will look like this. We will call this one like binary n. Okay, this is a recursive call, and outside of this one we are going to print out the r. Printf %d comma r. Okay, now we have done with this one, but whenever we do a new, like when we create a new function, we always have to do the prototyping on top. Let's copy and paste it right here, and we don't need this one, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, let's run this one. Something wrong. Let's see what is that. Printf. Oh, there's a spelling mistake. This one, printf. Okay, let's run this again. Okay, enter the number. Let's say 12. Something wrong. Okay, let me run again. Enter the number 12. It's converting into a decimal number. Let's put 15. It's converting into a binary number, decimal into binary. Okay, And that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. And also, if you are trying to access this course, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. See you next time.